Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joins us in the studios, Desiree Bridenstine from the Children's Center. She's here to talk about one of the big things is April is Child Abuse Awareness Month. So
yes,
you got a lot going on this month and a few other things you wanted to discuss. So welcome to the show, and let's just dive right in. What have you got going on?
Sure. So April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and we celebrate that nationwide. And really, it's a month for us just to reflect and make sure that we understand that there are things that we can do to help prevent child abuse, and that there are children out there that are experiencing it. It's a lot more than we would ever imagine most of the time. About 1 in 10 children experience child sexual abuse before they turn 18, and 1 in 7 children experience abuse each year. So, I mean, it happens a lot. And so we want to bring awareness to it, and that we can do something to help them, especially as adults. We can prevent child abuse and help prevent it in our community. So to provide some opportunities to learn and to just gather and to support families and learn how to support families, we are having several different things going on this month. On April 14th, it's our big Go Blue Day, so we encourage everybody in our community to wear blue and be aware that that's why we're wearing blue, is to support child abuse prevention and awareness. And then that same day, we're going to have a Go Blue wellness walk at the Joplin Family Y. We also have centers in Butler, Nevada, and Monette, and they are having centers in their locations during that time as well. So that information is on our website if you'd like some further information on that. Okay. And then on the 20th, we're doing Third Thursday. We've invited several of our community partners that support families in the community to join us there. And then on the 21st, we're doing a special Rewind documentary screening. We've partnered with Missouri Southern Social Work Department, and we're going to have it out there at the Mills Auditorium and the Justice Center. And really, that's just a viewing of the documentary Rewind. It brings lots of information about one person's experience going through the justice system, and also their experience in disclosing or telling their story. And it's really just, we can take a lot from it. So we're going to have some commentary and hopefully have some people out there to join us.
And do you find when you host these events, especially in April, and people come up, they're asking questions, you find a lot of people are shocked by some of those statistics that you just gave us?
Absolutely. There are always people that are shocked about it. But one thing I like to mention when we talk statistics is that really only 38% of people ever disclose that something has happened to them. And so when we are talking statistics, it's really just a small snapshot of what the what the actual problem is and how big it is. So I try to make sure that people consider that as well. But it happens a lot. There are things that we can do to prevent it. For sexual abuse, if we just know what the signs and symptoms are of grooming, you can see those on our website. Our website is www.childrens-center.org. But there are signs and symptoms there. So as an adult, you can know what the signs and symptoms are and how you can prevent children from experiencing sexual abuse, hopefully in your the children that are around you. But also when it comes to like neglect and physical abuse, those have some socioeconomic factors that go along with that. And so really just knowing and understanding how we can support families and be there for them in their time of need can really help with that situation. And so you can go to our website and see all of that. And then we also have all the information for our events. You can register for the screening. You don't have to register, but we're asking that people do register just so that we can keep track. And we're also providing CE credits for that as well.
All right, Desiree, thank you so much for coming on the show with us this morning. And of course, if you missed any of that, don't worry, it'll be on our website as well at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more right after this.